Hey YouTube, it's Jim Nice here in another video, and this is an unboxing from Listia.com. This is number 10. Right into it. Got some more cards. Alright, says winner of my auction. Let's take a look. I think these are 2012 cards, yeah. Or maybe even 2013. Yeah, they're new cards. I don't know what series this is. Triple Threat. Paul Heyman with Brock Lesnar. Pretty cool. We got Mike Skills, Triple Threat, 2 Primetime Players. They just broke up. Another Primetime Players, Youth. Primetime Players. Got the Cobra, Santino Marella. Another Santino Marella, WWE Universe. And the last one is the Kimura with Brock Lesnar. So, pretty cool cards. 2 Santinos, 2 Brock Lesnars, and 2 Primetime Players. So, yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.